What's going on, YouTube? Dorito again here with Jorge Voodoo from the Voodoo Glow Skulls.
What's up, everybody? Today we have the Rival Mudhawk 10 120cc.
Yep, this is an awesome ATV as well too. It's kind of the brother or sister ATV to the Trailhawk as well too. But this one's the utility version. It has the rack on the front. It has all the cool features like the isolated engine cradle, the digital gauge, all the remote start and shut off, which you might just see a little later, as well as it's got a forward and reverse, but a hand shifter as opposed to the foot shifter on the other one. But anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to get George to get out and ride this thing and give his opinion on our track again. And we'll get right back to you guys and see what you think, okay?
Let's go have some fun.
Shall we? What do you think?
Awesome.
All right, guys, we're back. And there it is. It's the Rival Motorsports Mudhawk 10 Utility ATV. What did you think of this one, George?
Again, this is a fun little ATV. The throttle was all there when you needed it. The brakes worked well. The suspension, the traction, everything was all there. It's a fun little thing to have around, just to trail ride. Even has these utility racks you could haul stuff around on, strap stuff down, whatever really you want to use them for.
You know, that's the one thing I was going to say about this. This does have a little bit of a bigger seat, and it's got the racks on it, but it's still medium-sized ATV, and they're, like I said before in the last video, they're very fun to throw around. They're great. They're put together well, and you know what? We got up some hills. We went over some bumps. We went down some trails. Everything was smooth as butter. So anyways, overall, wouldn't you give this thing a really high score, wouldn't you?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. This thing is, I think, it's a 10 out of 10.
Yep. Well, I want to thank you, George, for coming by and, actually bringing me out here and, like introducing me to this area. I didn't even know this area was here. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to come back to Luch Garage.